Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix productivity levels with Asana, full guide step by step clearly. To fix productivity levels with Asana, start by creating a clear project structure. Open Asana and select the option to create a new project. Choose a format that suits your team, such as a list, board, or timeline. Define your project's goals and objectives clearly. Break down the overall project into manageable tasks. Assign specific tasks to individual team members. Set due dates to keep everyone accountable. Utilize sections to categorize tasks by phases or priorities. Add relevant details to each task, including descriptions, attachments, and subtasks. Encourage team members to update their task statuses regularly. Use the comments section in each task to facilitate communication. Set up notifications to stay informed about task updates and completions. Utilize Asana's reporting features to track overall progress and productivity. Review the project weekly to discuss achievements and challenges. Adjust deadlines and responsibilities as needed based on team feedback. Integrate Asana with other tools your team uses for seamless workflow. Encourage your team to utilize recurring tasks for regular activities. Foster a culture of accountability by celebrating milestones and achievements. Monitor productivity trends over time to identify areas for improvement. Continuously refine your project structure based on team needs. Emphasize the importance of clarity and collaboration within Asana. By following these steps, you can significantly enhance productivity levels in your team using Asana. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.